This is a special report of the Ohio Ram Show.
Alright folks, I am not moving to Hanoi. No way. There's too many people. Hi folks, this is my rest day and travel day reflection. Yesterday was our rest day in Cao Bang, so we took a ride to the famous Vietnamese waterfall. And that was a beautiful waterfall. Today we basically spent the whole day on the bus heading back to Hanoi. Tonight it's a Friday night over here, and we went out for dinner and went to the Old Quarter. And that is where the young people hang out. Most of a lot of tourists and foreigners, and it's like the Vietnamese version of Mardi Gras. So yes, quite upbeat, quite active. Traffic going into Hanoi was a mess. I learned that there's 8 million people in this city, which is the capital of Vietnam. 8 million people. So there's scooter everywhere. So interesting. I think personally I prefer the quiet countryside instead of the city. You can definitely see the smog, and the air quality is not that great. People here wear masks when they ride their scooter, not because of COVID, but because of the air pollution. So that's my reflection for our rest day and our traveling day. That's it. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
This is Gregory Zuber, thanking you for watching and sharing.